Hello and welcome to my unboxing video that I finally put up here of this thing that I bought at Bed Bath & Beyond, the Hurricane Spin Scrubber! Yay! 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 So we'll open it up and see what is inside, shall we? I'm excited. Alright, as we open it up here, aha! Check it out. We got this thing. It's some kind of tube thing. Okay, got there. We got all the warranties and instructions and stuff of the Hurricane Spin Scrubber there. We gotta check that out later. We got the charging cable. Yeah, just a plain old electrical charging cable here, 220. We got more attachments here. This is the spinning attachment. You put the brushes here and it spins around. See? And then we got more attachments. This is the cone attachment. See that? Tuk, tuk. Here we have the brush attachment, the one that goes outward instead of inward. You can use that for, you know, your tires and stuff. Here's the dome type attachment. Ooh, feels good. Woo! You can also use it for shaving, put your shaving cream on. And finally, we have the main thing here. You put your attachments, I guess, here. And then it looks like a lightsaber. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I am your father. No! Anyway, so that's the main thing, see? I present to you the main Spin Scrubber thing. Okay, that's it. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 pieces. And this is just the plastic molding that goes inside of the spin scrubber. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So here we are. Here's the main part. Here's the charging port. You put this charging thing in here. See that charging port? Stick it in there. And then you plug it in and charge it. It says on the instructions you charge it 20 hours the first time and then only 8 hours for later charges. But that's how you charge it. And then we have this is the extension. That's the extension that goes in here like this. You line it up and then you listen for that click and then it's good. See, now it's like, woo, yeah! And here's the main head. See, this is the thing that spins. I already attached the brush part, and now I can't figure out how to take it off. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But anyway, this goes up here like this. See? This one also clicks in place. Yeah, there you go. You heard that click? And there it is, you know, you can use that. You can turn it on a bit and see how it goes. Yee-hoo! Woohoo! It's not spinning very fast because it's not fully charged, so I'm going to have to charge it. And yeah, so this is it. Spin Scrubber with the extension. You can use it without the extension, so it'll just be this, like this short. But this is it. You can clean up whatever you want with this, with the spinning brush. Okay? I think it's pretty good. So I'm gonna charge it tonight. Tomorrow it'll be ready. I'm gonna clean everything with it. Okay? I'm gonna use this to clean my tires and my bathroom, my bathtub, and my groin. No, not my groin. Just maybe my bathtub and my tires. Okay? Alright. Yep. So that has been my unboxing of the Hurricane Spin Scrubber that I bought at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was January 1st. Man, that was like a month ago. I just opened it now. I'm glad it was good. Anyway, so thanks for watching. My next video will be actually using the thing. Okay? Alright. See ya. Okay. We're about ready to test out the Hurricane spin scrubber here. Just put it together. First, we get the main unit here, and we stick the extension rod on here. Snap on, and then we got the head, the spinning brush up here. Snap on. Okay, ready to go. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, well, it's not really fully charged, but we'll try it. I got everything ready, so now we'll try it now, okay? Spinning. Fire in the hole. Here we go, woo! Putting on the tiles. Trying to see if it clears the grout. Yeah, I should have used the cone, but actually could work. If you don't press it in too hard, it'll do it. Because if you do press it in too hard, it'll just slow down and stop. See? So that's basically it. Just scrub it around. Doesn't have much torque, so you don't want to press it too hard, or it'll slow down and stop. And you don't want to do that. Okay, so I guess my review would be out of a 10 being the highest. Maybe I'll give it, you know, a 7. You know, it's good. It's hard to do it now because I got my camera on, but got my camera in one hand and this in the other. But if I were just straight up cleaning, it'd be easier because I just use both hands and just straight up clean. So my review is, I guess it's good. You know, it's okay for $30 that I bought it. That I paid for it, so it's good. I give it a 7 out of 10 rating. This Hurricane scrubber that I bought at Bed Bath & Beyond for $30. Okay, that's my review. Thank you for watching.